Hey guys, welcome back to Dylan the Coder, and today we're going to be making Friday Night Funkin' on Scratch. As you can see, these are my projects that I made on my account. So now we're going to go to New Project, and we're going to title it FNF versus Boxy, because Boxy from Lanky Box. Go subscribe to them, they're the best. And we don't need cats, so we can remove him. If you just want to make a pretend one that's like pretending like a custom one with like this characters in Scratch, that is completely fine. But I just want to use the real ones. So let's make the title screen. And we're gonna go paint a new sprite called Startup. Then we're going to make a box. And then once we make the box, we are going to write like the things on like the each title screen. I just want to do a game made by I'm just going to duplicate the costume now. The first creator is Ninja Muffin 99. I'm just going to make it a little bigger. There we go. Another one we're going to is Kawi Sprite. And then we're going to duplicate it again. And then the last one is Phantom Arcade. Now we're going to paint a new one. And just make a box. So first, just make a box. And then I'm going to write, you can write whatever you want, like anything you want. Just make sure to put the game creators, so it's like people know the creators and stuff like that. Recreated on Scratch. And we're gonna get a new one now. And then just make the box. Alright. Now we're going to get this. So I'm gonna put FNF versus Boxy. I've just always wanted to make a custom FNF mod, and I might make a real one soon. So once I do make a real one, I'll link it in my channel and I'll link it in the description of that video when I try to make a real one. But anyways, for this is the one on Scratch. So this is like, I'll link it down in the description so you guys can play it. I'll link this when we're done on the final. Okay, I messed up today. On the final video, like there's probably gonna be a couple parts. This is part 1, making the title screen, and I'll link it down in the final part of the description once it's done. But costume 8, just retitle it to Woo, and just make a white box. Alright. Now, when green flag clicked, we're going to get switch costume to costume 1. And we're going to get show. Oops. We get repeat. I have 8 costumes, but we don't count the woo, so we're gonna do 7. And then after that, we're gonna go next costume. I'm gonna get wait 1 second. And then save it. And this is what we should have now. Pretty cool. But we want it to be more ghost affecting, so just move that up quick. This, we want it to be a lot more ghost effective. So for that, we're actually gonna copy this and put that under there. And then we're going to, instead of repeat 7, repeat 10. And we are going to take that stuff out. Change ghost effect by 10. After that, it should be a little more ghostly. Kind of like that, so I'll show you it. This is what it's going to be. This is what it should be. Okay. After that, it actually is not working, the ghost effect right now. So we are going to go to backdrops. Yeah, sorry about that. We don't need sounds right now. That's for the episode for music. So music is probably going to be an interesting one. So now, for now, we're going to get, I'm just going to make this black. There we go. Good. All right, now we're going to save the project. And then we should have this. Now the ghost effect should work now. There we go. That is perfect. That is perfect. If you have this, that means that's good. If the ghost effect isn't working, that means you probably did something wrong. But it's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. You could always just try again. Just know, everyone makes mistakes. You can always try this again if you fail on this. These videos I'm not deleting like a couple of my others I deleted. I only deleted 1 video in my whole channel career. Even though my whole channel thing actually started only in November. But, oh shoot. Alright, never mind. Oh, that was not a big deal. That's actually not a big deal at all. But wait 0 seconds under the ghost effect thing. Alright. But I keep making mistakes. Let's put that there, and then we should have this. That is what we should have now. If you don't have that, that means if you don't have that, that's okay. You can always just try again. No big deal. So, we are done. We are now done with the starting credits. Now, this is where it starts to get more like the real thing. We're getting a new sprite. Name it menu car. Menu chair. Menu care. whatever it is, like menu character. It's short for it's care is short for character, so it's like menu character. You can put the girlfriend on top of the speaker. I am not gonna do that because I don't know. I just don't really want to do it because I feel like it'll just ruin a couple things. You know what? Actually, you know what? I will do it. But I'm gonna have to add the speaker first. So I'm gonna add the speaker first. Alright, so let's upload a costume and just get the one that we speaker Fnf. First, before we add it to costume 1, we actually now need to erase all the white stuff. So because I feel like last time we did all this, when we like did the fail version, I do those on purpose because those are just fail versions. Those are like bloopers. But this one is 100% real. There's gonna be no bloopers. But maybe there will be some mistakes along the way, and that's alright. Everyone makes mistakes. And I will be uploading a lot more now because I am on spring break from school. So get ready for a bunch of content coming out. And yes, I did come back to videos. I erased the bottom a little. I made a mistake. Just you have to go slow. Alright, well that one was man. I just worked so hard and it's all gone now. Oops. There's still a lot on the top, so you know what? I'm gonna make a deal. I'm putting it at 10. Okay. I'm sorry I'm not talking a lot right now because I'm very, very focused right now on trying to do this. And so while I'm doing this, I was talk about what my videos things are. But alright, I can't find. We can zoom in. All right. But before we do this now, hold on, I'm just gonna get some stuff now. But before I, hold on 1 second. Huge shout out to Monkey X4H. Thank you so much for all the support. It means a lot to me. And I am going to do that idea you gave me soon of that fish thing. That will be coming out, I think, maybe this week. If not, I'm definitely going to do it the next week. But if you guys also if you want me to do trend ideas, I will do them. Because like I was not posting. I just wanted to take a break from videos because I originally moved from away from Florida all the way to New York, which is awesome. And that's why I wasn't uploading videos, but you probably knew I was doing shorts like every day. And a lot of you guys like them. Those like Boxy with Boxy and stuff like that. You guys love those. And that one with Boxy with lawyers, which thank you for that one. That one meant so much to me. Okay, 1 second. I'm just... Now we have to upload. All right, you know what? I'm sorry, guys, but I'm not going to do the girl sitting on the speaker with girlfriend. I just feel like it'll mess up everything, so I just don't want to do that. I'm very sorry about that. I wish I would. But we're going to go back to the startup now. And hold on, you guys. I'm just going to move it away. So hold on, I'll just wait for... I'm just waiting to see what we do next. Okay. Alright. I'm sorry, guys, this is taking me a little while, but I'm just learning this. And, this is a video that I'm watching on how to do this as well. Because... Okay. All right, now, above all that, we're gonna have to go to front layer. Now, just gonna save it. Now we should have this. There we go. That is what it is like so far. And if you did this, all this stuff, then you are a genius with doing all this as well. Such as including me, but people don't call me a genius. I mean, a genius. I'm joking. What the heck? All right, now we're gonna make the logo. So menu logo. We're gonna upload the sprite. It's right here. Hold on. I'm just gonna get all of it. Okay. Okay. All right. If that is, well, that is actually what I have right now. All right, so this is what I got right now. If you guys don't know, maybe I'll show my wizard someday. I haven't made a post like in a while, like a post where you just write the thing. I think I made it like a month ago, I think, maybe a month ago. Yeah, about a month ago I made it because I green screened an MC video and I haven't uploaded for like 2 weeks after that. So I made a post that was like that I was coming back for a while, and I was coming back, and then I was gonna, and all those comments on the video people gave me the ideas for everything. So I'm happy about that. But now we're gonna do the coding for the logo. So we're gonna get when green flag clicked, set size to 100, get a forever block, repeat 5, change size by 2, and then duplicate it, change size by -2. And now I'm gonna go to control with just like a little wait in between. So wait 0.1 seconds and then get it again after that. And then get another one at the bottom. But now we're going to get set size to 100 down there. Then we can save it, and then this is what we should have now. So let's see. This is what we have. And if you guys have this, that means you are off to a great start. And this is just the title screen. We have a lot more, like the music, the characters, the background, and everything. So I'm sure that would be pretty dang cool. Alright, hold on, you guys. Now, we are actually, you could see, hold on, let's just do it again for an example and stuff like that. You can see this, hold on, you guys. We're actually going to play a song of FNF for a celebration that we're doing this. So, I'm just going to go to the real FNF game. You can literally see the speaker is why don't we just do a song? Let's do why don't we do erect? This is only for celebration. It sounds good. And I'm actually not that good at FNF, but I love to play though. But I've been practicing a lot and I'm getting better at it. Oh, he said, ugh, that's pretty cool. Oh no. We're so close to dying. Don't die. Boyfriend, don't die. Don't die on me. Oh my god, we barely made it. We barely made it. This is our results. Aww. Oh no, poor guy. And his girlfriend just accidentally sat on him. Oh, jeez. Poor guy. But anyways, let's get back to the coding. But let's get back to working on one now. Now, we're now going to animate. For this now, we're going to, well, actually, no. We're going to move this over in the startup. We are going to actually, I did not say, we're going to just move all of that out, and I'm going to a forever block. Now we're going to get an if then. Now we're just going to get key space pressed. Then we're going to get join apple banana instead of space. So we're going to remove banana and replace apple with enter. It's easy. So I made a mistake. We're gonna take that out, put an or, put this one in the first left. Then we're going to get key space pressed and duplicate that. The bottom weight. So now we're going to put that inside of there. Then we're going to go get stop other scripts in Sprite and then stop this script. Then we are going to put those together. Then put them under there. Wait, no, not under there. In there. And then, oh shoot, I forgot something. Switch costume to woo above repeat 10. And then, under wait 0 seconds, we're going to switch costume to woo again. Now, for the good part. Hold on, you guys. Oh no. We're going to go to the speaker and we're going to animate it. Now, let's animate this. This is costume 1. It's going to duplicate it. Duplicate it again. There we go. Now let's see if it worked. It didn't work. That is alright though. We're just gonna delete those really quick. So now we're gonna copy this. Control A to select the whole thing. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. And then just duplicate it again. Control A again to put it up. Now we have to do some coding. So when green flag clicked, get a forever block. Next costume. And then wait 0.1 seconds before it. So now we'll save that. Now this is what you guys should have. There we go. That is what you guys should have now. And that's pretty good. Now we're gonna make a new. Oh shoot! No, not that. We're gonna make a new sprite called menu button sensing. Just gonna make that, and now we are actually almost done with this title screen. So we're going to go back to startup, make a new message. It's gonna be 1 second. It's gonna be first menu. All right. All right. Broadcast first menu, and then broadcast first menu under that. All right. Now, for menu button, when I receive first menu, we're going to get a forever block. Then we're going to get an if then. Now we're going to go back to startup, and we're going to steal this code and then put it in menu button. Then put it there. Then once we put that there, we're going to make a new message. And it is going to be, 1 second, song menu load. And then put that in there. And then we're going to make another variable called trans. Like short for transfer. Put it right there. We're going to go back to startup. I know there's a lot of codes in startup. Just put it under there. Oh no. I'm just gonna save the project. Now we're gonna make a new sprite called transload. Transload. Then this part is a little bit tricky. One second, let me just see what to do next. We're gonna go click on the square thing. Go to fill and then change it to black. I'm just following along with this part because this part's a little bit tricky to get. Then we're just gonna make a black line. I guess right in the middle is good. And then we're going to go hit this third button. hit this so there is no outline, and then hit swap. And then you should have this beautiful color. Oh, it's so beautiful. It actually is. I'm actually being honest. And then just make another one. Then we should have this. Then our code for this one is when the green flag is clicked, we're going to hide and then go to eight and then 146. And then when I receive trans, we are going to show. Then just duplicate that code. Glide to the bottom. And then glide 1 second to 3 and then negative 217. And then we're going to get hide. Save it. And we should get this. There we go. That is what it should be like right now. And then we're just going to go back to menu button. Above that for everything, make sure you put a wait 0.1 seconds. And then go to startup. We don't need this code anymore. Well, no, actually we do. We need these, but not broadcast trans. And I'm going to go back to menu button. And then I'm going to get stop this script. And then we're going to duplicate that. Oh, wait, no. Stop other scripts in Sprite. Then lastly, we put it there. And yeah, that's our title screen. Let's get a preview of it so far. This is our FNF mod so far. And that's gonna do it for today, guys. So I hope you subscribe. Subscribe to join the Coder Squad. My TikTok is not accurate right now. I'm trying to make a new one, and I'll link that when I get it. Anyways, subscribe and like this video, and comment down below what is your favorite FNF game. And for the final, why don't we play another FNF song? But this time, let's do a harder one, like a mod song maybe. It has to be a hard one. What about Foolhardy? Foolhardy's a good song. It's definitely probably was one of the hard. When it got released, that was the hardest mod yet. But I really want to do this to show you guys, and I feel like you guys will love this. So let's do this. This one is the remastered one because this is the only one that works for me. All my others won't let me download it. We're using, okay. Oh, 0 misses. There we go. Oh, 10 misses already? Oh, we did that. See, I'm getting better. Why don't we just try spamming? That's actually working. Okay, it's not working. Oh my god, we're so close to dying. Oh no. We'll do one more song after this for good, for you guys to subscribe. Oh, I got no misses on that one. This is the hard part. Subscribe. I'm getting so much better at this game. 170 misses. Well, we're doing a hard one now. We're gonna do probably the hardest one in existence, maybe. And I'm actually a little bit scared for this one, because it's gonna be versus the Trollage. Oh, so sorry on my second channel, my gaming channel, Dylan Gaming. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a little while. It's scary, it's scary. I'm not doing that. Why don't we do... You know what? Let's do a good one. A really good one. Let's do this. Let's do this one now. He is a hard one. No. Reload. Free play. Ragdoll. I feel like this song is a hard one. This is nice. The arrows are switching around. Well, guys, this is too hard. I have to go. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, subscribe. Bye.